Ayun lang, uy. Sigurado ba nakasama na sasakay ito?
Sa kabila na kayo. Sa kabila.
Yes. Okay na.
Si Ate B at syempre, Mama Sharon, congrats! With an average score of 94.2%, you are the grand winner, Barangay! Drum roll please. Parang wala. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Isang malakas na palakpakan. LGBTQI plus Pasig. Siyempre sa 1LGBTQI, palakpakan naman natin. 1LGBTQI plus Pasig. Maraming salamat. The City Government of Pasig, headed by Mayor Vico Soto. Thank you so much. Eto na mga kaibigan, our best contingent barangay for 2024 for Pasig Pride is Barangay Balati!
tala sa lungsod ng Pasig. This is your host, Nico.
And this is Seychelles. Good evening, everyone.
God bless everyone.
Third Pasig Pride Month. Thank you for celebrating and acknowledging the LGBT community. Be loud and happy. Congratulations, Pasig sa your third Pasig Pride Month! Let's go! Thank you for celebrating and acknowledging the LGBT community. Maraming salamat from the bottom of my heart. I super appreciate this event. Be loud and be proud.
Alright, at syempre, ayan, habang nag-uwian tayo, syempre, meron pa ba tayong press? Ayan, at syempre, panoorin muna natin